Welcome guys, my name is Stacy and today we're going to talk about quantities. There are a few possibilities to indicate quantity, so let's have a look. We're starting with much and many. We use much when talking about nouns we can't count. Here I've got some examples for you. I've got much money, that recipe doesn't need much sugar, and I didn't get much sleep last night. We can't count money, sugar and sleep, so we use much. Then we also have many, and we use many when talking about nouns you can count. For this one, also some examples. We saw many animals in the zoo. How many oranges did you buy? And I've read many books. You can count animals, oranges and books, so in these cases we use many. There is one thing to look out for, and that is if nouns are actually countable or not. Here are also a couple of examples. You can count money, but we don't say 1 money, 2 money, 3 money, but we use the currency euros. We say 1 euro, 2 euros, 3 euros, etc. This is why we say much money and many euros. The same goes for fruit and apples. You can say I have 5 apples, but I can't say I have 5 fruit. This also goes for water and bottles of water. But there are many more examples. The next subjects are few and a few. These are used when talking about a small quantity in combination with a countable noun. The difference between the two is that few emphasizes how small the quantity is, and with a few it is still not much, but more than few. You could say that few is a half-empty glass of water and a few is half full. I've got an example for you to clear things up a little bit. Few members of the family leave their hometown each year. And the second, a few members of the family leave their hometown each year. These two sentences are almost identical, but there's a slight difference in meaning. I'll give you a few seconds to think about it, or you can shortly pause the video. Okay, let's see. So, in the first one, the emphasis lies on that almost no one leaves. In the second one, it is said that a couple of family members leave. So the difference lies in how many actually leave. With few, almost nobody, and with a few, a couple, but not many. Then we have little and a little. The explanation for these is the same as for few and a few. Little emphasizes on how small the quantity is, almost nothing, and a little emphasizes on a small quantity as well. However, the meaning is more than little. To try and clear it up, here I've got an example for you. Number 1. We had little time to prepare before we had to go. And we had a little time to prepare before we had to go. Again, almost identical sentences, but also a slight difference in meaning. I'll give you some time to think about it. If you need more, you can always pause the video. Okay, let's see. In the first example, there was almost no time at all. In the second one, we had some time, but not a lot. So with little, it's almost no time at all. And with a little, there is some, but not a lot. This is the end of the video. I hope you learned a lot, and I wish you good luck with these subjects. Thank you.